If you're assigned as a show owner or creative team member and you would like to add a repeat or vamp, go to the Score tab and tap anywhere you see a plus button located throughout the page. Select the repeat option, and vamp will appear as the default setting in the drop-down menu, which will allow the specific measures to play continuously until you tap exit. Make sure you input the from and to measures and tap the blue check mark to implement this repeat in the song's roadmap. If you'd like to program a repeat with a predetermined play count, tap the plus button, select repeat, and choose Set Play Count from the drop-down menu at the top of this screen. You'll need to input the number of times you would like this section to repeat, as well as the starting and ending measures of the repeat. The app will warn you if there is an overlapping or existing repeat between the measures that you are choosing. Tap the blue check mark to implement this repeat into the song's roadmap, and to view any repeats in the song, tap the repeat button at the top of the horizontal filter menu.